Hello everyone, cut an oval shape out of a brown leaf and paste it, and also paste some little red leaf on the top and two brown leaves perpendicular to each other, and attach cotton eyes and draw a smile, monkey, and attach some stems for legs and the front legs as well, and attach some apples. Make an oval shape cutout from a brown leaf and make a V-shaped hole and attach the head and torso of a cotton woman and group the leaves together for the frog, and for the top part of the frog make a cutout from the same color leaf and attach cotton legs and detail it. Have a circle-shaped yellow paper glued on one side using sellotape and use that prickly, spiky leaves attached in a circle manner, and have another circle paper along with popsicle and attach cotton eyes and a snout, the mighty lion. Take some little purple dow and extend by the sides in a star shape using your finger. Do the same twice on your paper, and after that place a little white dow and pat it down, then jab it with a toothpick. Then extend green leaves and stems. Then have a little red dow for ladybug, pat it down and add the details of it, the polka dots, and draw the legs and the head parts as well. Pat down a little green colored dow with your finger in a circle shape. Do the same on the other side of the canvas in the different shapes. Then draw the curvy lines with a circle at the center of them, and also have a little black dow and a little white dow at the center for eyes, and extend them for tadpoles. Draw a cloud shape and remove the eggshells from the egg. Then apply some glue in the cloud. Then carefully place the eggshells onto it, filling it. Then once when you've done it, attach the shown the sheep's cutout, the face parts and the leg. Draw some grass. Open a peanut shell and paste half of them using glue on a paper, and draw some neck and a head part of a dog, and draw its legs and its naughty tail. Then make another beautiful dog, its partner, and make them fall in love with a heart in shape. Fold the black paper into half and draw a side view of a flying swallow and cut it out. Then unfold it, then have a beautiful white paper for belly and attach cotton eyes. Draw 4 green lines and 4 red lines parallel to each other on the paper and roll it with a chopstick inside. Then glue it at the sides and contract it. Draw the face parts and patterns of a caterpillar. Now if you drop it in water, it'll grow. Thank you guys for watching this video.